Today, we're diving into a topic that's affecting more and more people every day: memory loss. Whether you've been forgetting where you put your keys, struggling to remember names, or even finding it hard to focus on everyday tasks, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, we're going to break down the common causes of memory loss and, most importantly, a natural trick you can use at home to boost your memory. This simple method, discovered by Harvard scientists, can help slow memory decline and could even help you avoid future cognitive issues like Alzheimer's. So, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Oh, and by the way, if you want to find out more about a common household toxin that speeds up memory loss 3 times faster than normal, there's a link in the description below that reveals everything. Click on it and watch a short video that explains how to avoid this toxin and improve your memory naturally. Let's start with the causes. Memory loss can happen for a number of reasons. Some of the most common causes are aging. As we age, it's natural to experience some forgetfulness, but when it becomes more frequent or severe, it could be a sign of something more serious. Stress and depression. These can interfere with your ability to focus and remember things. If your mind is constantly preoccupied, it's harder to form and retrieve memories. Lack of sleep. Your brain needs time to rest and process the day's events. If you're not getting enough sleep, your memory will likely suffer. Nutritional deficiencies. A lack of essential vitamins like B12 can contribute to cognitive decline and memory issues. Toxins in the environment. Believe it or not, certain household products might be accelerating memory loss right under your nose. If you're interested in learning about a common toxin that wipes out memory 3 times faster, I've left a link in the description to a short video that uncovers everything. Now let's talk about the challenges someone with memory loss faces daily. Imagine constantly forgetting where you left things or having trouble remembering names and important dates. It can create frustration, not only for the person experiencing it, but for their loved ones as well. The anxiety of losing your mental sharpness can take a toll on your overall well-being. Memory loss isn't just about forgetting little things. It can affect your ability to hold conversations, manage your daily tasks, or even recognize familiar faces. This can lead to isolation, depression, and in the long run, it makes cognitive decline even worse. But the good news is, you can fight back against these challenges. So what can you do to protect your memory and even improve it? There's a simple, natural method discovered by Harvard scientists that helps boost your memory and cognitive function. This is something you can easily use at home to slow down memory loss and keep your mind sharp. It doesn't involve any expensive treatments, and it's not some magic pill. It's a natural trick that supports your brain health in a way that fights back against aging, toxins, and other factors that harm your memory. Now, if you're curious about what this trick is and how you can use it, I've put a link in the description below. Click on it to watch a short video that explains everything. Trust me, you won't want to miss this opportunity to protect yourself and your loved ones from memory loss. Memory loss is a serious issue, but it doesn't have to control your life. By understanding the causes and taking action now, you can significantly improve your memory and overall brain health. And if you want to learn how to avoid Alzheimer's and future cognitive problems, check out that video I've linked below. It explains the natural trick you can start using today. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link, watch the short video, and take control of your memory health now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, take care of your brain. Until